Hello my friends, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene. Now on this episode we are going to make a limbe. It is hot outside. We are in the middle of the summer. It is limbe season in my book. So right now we're going to make a creamy, delicious, my absolute flavor limbe, which is Limbe de Crema. I know it comes in different names. This is my favorite, and this is what we're gonna make. You are absolutely gonna love it, and it's like an old school treat and classic. I can't wait to show you. So now let's begin. Okay, my friends, now it's time to begin. The ingredients cannot be more simple. All you need to do is double it and triple it if you want to make bigger quantity of it. But you know what? I'm just gonna make enough for my household, and that's that. Some people make a whole bunch, and you can do whatever you want. So here it goes. Let's begin. We're going to use 1 can of evaporated milk in your blender. Simple. Nothing to it but to do it. Let's go. Right here I have 1 can of sweet condensed milk. We're going to use the whole thing. You might want to add more sugar if you feel like it's not sweet enough. The preference of sweetness is according to your taste buds. If you want to put more, put more. But this is going to be delicious. And I have 1 cup of whole milk. You can use 1%, 2%, whatever you want. That I leave up to you. You're going to use some vanilla extract. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. You can't go wrong with this stuff. Delish. It's going to make it taste and right so here good. I have a cream flavor concentrate. Delicious, I tell you my friends. This is going to be one of your favorite limbe recipes. And you must give this a try. Now I bought this on Amazon. I will leave you the link below. I am putting 1 tablespoon, but you can put as much as you want because it's all about the flavoring. So if you want to boost up the flavor, just put more. Simple as that. Nothing to it but to do it. And then put the top, press power, and now let's blend. Alright my friends, so right here I have 5-ounce cups. I like to use the small ones so I can make a lot, but you can use whatever size you want, 7-ounce, 9-ounce, whatever you like. The choice is yours. And just leave a little bit to the top. You don't have to fill it all the way. And then that's it. We're going to put this in the freezer, and we're going to chill it until tomorrow, and then we'll do a taste test. Simple and easy. Your family will love it. You are going to be addicted to it. It's just so darn delicious. And see you tomorrow when this is all done. Okay my friends, now it's time to do a taste test because our ices are done. Our limbes. Oh my god, look at this pretty color. This is like my favorite one out of all the other flavors that I like cocoa. So many. I mean, I can't even name them. There's so many that I like, and I want to bring more flavors onto you. So let me know in the comments below, what are your favorites? I'm going to eat it with a spoon because I personally don't like to bite into ice. I have sensitive teeth, so I won't be doing that. Wow. Hands down, this is so creamy. This is my flavorful. Absolute favorite limbe. Wow. Delish. Thank you so much for joining me today. It was a pretty easy, pretty simple limbe to make. I will leave you all the measurements in the description box below. Come and visit me in my Facebook and Instagram. Come and chat with me. I love to engage with each and every one of you, and I will see you again. Enjoy your summer. Take care. Bye bye.